let's go and see another example and call as a stack function. What is stack? Stack is also same as concatenations. The only difference in stacking is done along a new axis, which you have to give it a totally new axis, and then it will do the concatenations in that. And we can concatenate to 1D array along the second axis, which would result in putting them over the other. It's called stacking. We pass a sequence of array that we want to join to the stack method along with the axis. If the axis is not explicitly passed, then it is taken as 0, something like that. So for example, you can also use the stack and what exactly it returns. Let's see that. Now I do have a concatenate, but here I will take the first single array, okay, here, and instead of concatenate I'm going to use this example is stack. Okay, example for stack, and here I need to show you how it works. So instead of this concatenate, you will be using stack here, and then you pass a parameter of 1 and what happens. I forgot to print, so let me print array 3 only, and let's see that how it's concatenated. So it concatenated this way. So 1 2 5 6 3 4 7 8. So it's stacking. So there's a difference between the concatenation and stacking. Here the stack, it's stacked into that particular array of 1. Let's see again same way. So 1 1 2 and 3 4 stack here. Then if I say 1, then it will come here. 1 2 5 6 will come here. Let me see that 1 2 5 6. So this is how it's stacked the array. Okay, so this is an example of stacking, and then we go for horizontal stack, that is hstack. Now if I do horizontal stack, what happens? So let's see this example. Same stack. Let me carry. Okay, then okay. Now the second example I'm going to show you about a hstack. That is a horizontal stack, correct? Now for the horizontal stack, here instead of stack, let's put hstack. Let's see with our output. I have to put 0 because it's a single dimension we are going to put into horizontal. What happened? NP array 1 array 2 current expected keyword called x. Oh my god, now we don't need to put axis in the horizontal stack. Forgot to do that. Now you can have a horizontal axis. Okay, now if I can do for vertical stack, probably if you have another stack, we need to have something called vStack. Then if it is horizontal stack, yeah, you have a vStack. Now if I use this stack, how it's do that again? Let's see the output. Now in the horizontal, you see here horizontal. In the vertical, you see here vertical way of stacking. Okay, let's see the next example. vStacks I have already shown you, and then we have a dstack. What is dstack? I have no idea about. So here stack along the height, which is the same as depth. I don't know what is the one, but let me, instead of let's see the comparison. The stack, and then we have dstack. What is the output of dstack? Okay, now in the dstack you saw that 1 5 0. So it is stacking in the vertical way, but it's separated. 1 2 3 4 it comes actually here. 1 2 it should come, but it's coming here 1, and it's it goes into the depth way of stacking. This example is also good. Then we come to the Numpy splitting array. Now we have joined the array. Now we want to go for a split array. So split array, we can use array underscore split, and we pass the array parameter where you want to split, and you need to give where do you want to split. Okay, so let's see the example. Here the example is that you have a single dimension array, and when you are using array underscore split, and then you pass the parameter has two parameters accepted in the array underscore split object. Here the array arr, that is and where do you want to split into split 3. So something like this. So now let's go and see the example. Let me comment this. Okay, otherwise it will interfere our operation. Now the splitting of array. Now assume that I have an array called arr and np dot array of now say 1 2 3 4 5 6, so I have 6. Now if I want to split into say 2 dimension, then I can split that. So let's name arr1. I will have an array, then np dot array underscore array underscore split. And when here two parameters passing here, one is array arr comma, and you want into 3 split, then you can give 3. And then if I run, no, before running let me print the array arr and one more print arr1. So what is the output? Let's check. Okay, so it is split into a 3 array, so array 1 2, array 3 4, and array 5 6. That's how you can split the array. Great. So you have an array split example has been sent here, and then we go for you can split the array, and also you can print a new array separately also you can print it. So now how to do this one is same way. You can split here, and then you can print, instead of say print all the array in a single dimension, you can still print arr1 of say 0. It will print the first array, then print arr1 of 1, it will print the second array, and you print of arr1 of 2 2 of, you will get the third array. Let's see that perfectly. So this is the first array which is print in a single dimension, and then here you can print array 1 array 2 and array 3 in a different method also. You can do that. Similarly, let's go for a second example. We are splitting 2-dimension array. Here you are going to split a 2-dimension array the same way. It can be 2-dimension, it can be multi-dimension, but the parameter which accept in array split is only 2 argument. But here you are going to increase your can increase into 4, into 5, however you want you can increase it, correct? So same way it can be given say 2-dimension array. I will choose a 2-dimension array here. I do have, so take this array example. Let me comment this, and I'll have this array, and here I will do something like this. arr1 equal to, now np dot array underscore split, pass the parameter called array r, and then you give 3. Okay, and then print array1. So let me see that how it prints. So this is how you got that all the array get out as 3 here. Similarly, if you want to print the same way, you can print as array 1 of say 0, so you will be able to get the first array same way. So this is as easy as that to get your array from the single dimension array, where you can split it however you want. Okay, let's go and see the next example of searching the data from the array. So it's you can use the keyword called where. Let's see how to search the data. So now I will have an array of a single dimension array. Let me take a single dimension array. So for easy, what to do is I'll just take this array. Okay, here I will taking an example of searching data in array. So you have an array, and then you want to search something, and then you want to put it into array 1, and here I will say array dot where array dot 1 where, and this I think okay, I need to pass a parameter called array. So array where, and then you pass the parameter called array, and then you need to push what equal to say 4. I want to say something 4, and then you just print arr1. What is arr1 into 4? Okay, so where, so it is an 3 4, so 0 1 2 3 4 4 is in the location of, where is the location 3. to 0 1 2 3. So it is in the equation 3 with the data types 64. That is what is printing. When I say where, it will return two parameters. One is the index of the particular data file 4 and the data types. Now let's go and see for sort. Okay, so if you have some number and then you want to sort that array, you can go for sorting. So let's have some array called arr, and then you define np dot array, and within this I will have a data of different say something like this. I have it's a randomly distributed data. So arr equal to np dot sort, and if I pass the parameter called array, and then I will print array 1, where I just put it into array 1. Let's see that how it's sort. Before sort also I will do one print of the input array. We'll see that how it works. So it's sort perfectly sort 0 2 4 4 5 8 8. This is sort as ascending order. They may be you can sort even the alphabetically also you can sort. You can sort, and array of two-dimensional array also can be sorted. Okay, so numpy filter array. So now we're talking about a filtered array here. Getting some element out of an existing array and creating a new array out of them is called filtering. So you can now using filtering using a boolean indexing. You can use a integer indexing, no issue, but by giving an indexing, then you filter the particular element from that array and build up totally a new kind of array. So for example, here I can I have an array, say something like say 41 42 42. This is an array, an example with another array. I'm having true false and true false. So if I say print a new array, where I have to use this boolean operation, and wherever there is true it will print, wherever there is false it will not print. So let's use a filtering of array. What if I have an array called arr equal to np dot array of, I have an array say 1 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8 comma 7 comma 9 comma 10. Okay, I have this array. Now I just have another array of boolean array np dot array, and here I would define how to define should not be an array, so I define something like this: true, okay, 1 second, true, comma, false, comma, true. If I use only this, then filter, apply filter. So I will have an array 1 equal to array filter x from this array, and then before filter I would like to print the input array, and after filter I will print the output array 1. Alright, let's see that. Okay, here the dimension of the array and the filter should have the same dimension. Okay, if you don't have the filter with the same dimension, then you cannot filter data from the existing array. So what should I do? I need to increase this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. So I need to have here 7. So let me have true, false, 1 2 3 4 5, true, and then true. So I have 7 now. I should be getting answer. Yeah. So 1 8 6 9 10. So wherever there is false, the data is not printed. Wherever there is false, the data is not printed. Wherever there is true, the data is printed. So in this way you can have using a filter and create a new array from the existing array. For loop, and then we'll try to put it into a new array. Okay, now array underscore filtered. Let's have an empty filtered array. Now for each in array if, so here 2 comma 3 comma 4, okay, and then you can have something like that here, 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 10. I can have something like this, correct? So now I want to find out an array filter using a for loop. So for each and each greater than 5, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to append here true, and if it's less it will be false. So I put here and then dot append true, okay, and else again I want to have this append here, instead of true I'll put false. Now at last I will have an array called filter array, and now here I will calculate a new array called a1, and then I will use array of array filtered, this array, and then I will print arr1. Okay, oh sorry, first what I will do is I will print the old incoming array, and then I will print the new array 1. Let's see that how it got print. Okay, so perfectly it is printed with this filter. So you can create a filter. So here for a small array kind of thing I can calculate and try to put it, but if the size of the array is huge and you want to filter out something like that, then you can filter using a for loop and create a filter and use that filter into this array, and then you can try to print out your new array called arr1 new filtered array.